What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan, and you're watching H3 Humper. Alright, so one annoying issue on this thing is that the power side mirrors don't work, either side. So I'm gonna take this apart and see what I can find. Yellow on top, green on the bottom. So here's the connector for the window switch. This orange wire can get jumped over to this orange wire, according to someone in the forums. So I might try that because I really want this to work. The side mirrors would be super cool to have function again. I'm following the orange wire. This blue connector has the little jumper coming out of it. I followed the orange wire. It goes to this prong here. Jumped it over into where the orange is on the switch. Okay, hopefully they're jumped now. Oh yeah. Check that out. Driver's side works. Flip over to the passenger side. Passenger side is not working. That is unusual. So at very least I know that I can connect these two orange wires and I will have power to my driver mirror. So I'm just gonna burn off some of this coating with a soldering iron, solder them together and wrap them in a little bit of tape. So right now I'm just using the soldering iron to melt away some of the wire coating. So I've got these wires exposed. I'm going to solder those together and wrap them up in some electrical tape really well. I'm going to get some solder on each of them. I'm really trying to get a good connection here because I don't want to have to pull the panel back off and redo this. I'm going to test the connection quick, make sure it still works. Yep, it still works. Cool. And now I'll wrap it in some electrical tape. Alright, then I'm going to just throw a wrap around this harness to clean it up a little bit. There we go. All hooked up. So I'm gonna put this all back together on the driver's side and yeah, I'm gonna start looking where that wire runs.